we added a new bike in here. It is, I don't know if you guessed it right or not, but it is the Ultra Gold Tuono 1100 factory. It's a 2024. We're going to clean up the handlebar area, and the biggest cleanup comes from removing the mirrors, but it's not just that. We're going to do a little bit more. Did the handlebar cleanup, we put a bigger windscreen on, meaning that we got to take this Tuono for a ride to see if that windscreen is going to help us. But before I take it out for a ride, this box has been sitting here, and we're about to put an exhaust on this bike. Time for a rear sets on our Tuono, and we did think quite a bit to see what we're going to run because there's quite a bit of options. I think we ended up deciding with the Lightech track system. It's buried all the way inside behind this Airbox, and that's when the cat comes out of the bag. If you know, you know. This has a blue Airbox cover, and yes, we've been running the Gabro Airbox on this bike because we just wanted to test things, and this is how we do things over here, guys. We test what we sell, and just like every other video, all the products that we use on our video is in the link in the description below. I could continue on, we could change our rear sets because we got a long way to go and we got a lot more mods to do. Time to add some weight to our Tuono V4. It's wheel time. to get the Ultra Gold ready for the road. It's time for the final mods for our Tuono V4. This is the Motomillion Tuono V4, guys. From every angle that I look at it, this is just premium, this is just beautiful. I think it's some things that the Aprilia was lacking. It was lacking the looks from the factory, but with all the details, I could truly say this is one of my favorite builds, and this is one of the best looking naked bikes that we've had and I've seen personally. And I know what all you guys want. Now that we mentioned the exhaust and the sound of this motorcycle, you want to hear this thing roar. We'll start it up in a second. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.